This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian Chief. Starting at the front of the vehicle behind the headlight, you will find the headlight adjustment fastener. On the left side of the bike, you will find the airbox, spark plugs, the oil dipstick, shift lever, left floorboard, side stand, passenger foot peg, seat removal tool, and the battery charge port. The left handlebar contains the clutch lever, mirror, toggle switch, horn switch, high beam, low beam, and flash to pass switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, 5-way media control switch if equipped, and the screen selection switch if equipped. Between the handlebars are the gauge assembly and fuel cap. The right handlebar contains the mirror, front brake lever, toggle switch, front brake fluid reservoir, power switch, engine stop start run switch, cruise control switch, and the throttle twist grip. On the right side of the vehicle, you'll find rear brake reservoir, the rear brake pedal, right floorboard, and the passenger foot peg. On Ride Command equipped models, in front of the gas tank, you'll find a USB. In front of the engine, you'll find the diagnostic plug and the oil filter. Remove the seat to access the fuse panel and battery. Behind the seat are the saddlebags, adjustable suspension, and the drive belt. The VIN label is located on the left-hand chassis frame in front of the gas tank. The VIN is also stamped on the right side of the frame near the steering column. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.